Hey, what's going on, guys and girls? Opening up a Pro Wrestling Crate mystery box. Comes out every month. This is September's. Usually comes with 2 T-shirts, an 8x10 autograph, a pin, a wrestling figure, and sometimes a comic book. I had surgery on my arm, as you see. I had 2 tears in my rotator cuff and a tear on my bicep. Had it done yesterday. But show must go on. So let's see what we got. See if I can do this with one hand. I did. All right, let's see what we got in the box. All right, this is the cheat sheet. I'm going to read it. The next month, it's the other side of this card contains the contents of this crate. Next month, crate features Sting, Macho Man Randy Savage, Dan Housen, Insane Clown Posse, Abaddon, Lince Dorado, and Mick Foley. That's next month's. But this month's, let's see what we got. Whatnot, Catch Us Live. Oh, all right. They are on Whatnot now. I've been trying to get on that for a while, but no luck. All right, let's see what we got for the first shirt. It's blue. Nope. This really hurts, yeah. Size extra large. And it's Kenny Omega. Navy blue shirt, Kenny Omega, not bad. Extra large. Anything you'll see in this box will be on sale on my website, YouTube. Yeah. All right. We got Ric Flair wrestling figure. There we go, Ric Flair. You believe he's still wrestling at 74 years old? Pretty sad. All right. Next item we got. Oh, it's a DVD. ROH. Volume 2. I don't know if it's 2019 or 219. There's a whole bunch of matches. I'll name a couple of matches. Rush versus Tracy Williams. Kenny King. Shane Taylor versus Bandando. There's a lot of matches. Matt Taven versus Mark Hetzkins. G.O.D. versus the Briscoes. Mark Briscoe versus Josh Woods. Plenty of matches on these DVD. 2 DVDs, actually. Disc 1 and 2. Okay. Next item. We have a wrestling sticker. Like hockey sticks. Britsburg. Interesting. Next item, we have a can opener. Greg the Hammer Valentine. It's a hammer, but with a bottle opener. That's pretty cool. I like that. All right. We'll get the 8x10. Okay, let's see who it is. Fandango. Autograph Fandango. Okay. I can't put them together. All right, the last item we have. Nope, we got the pin, monthly pin. Gargano. There's the monthly pin. And the last item is this t-shirt. I have no idea It's an extra large. It's black, and it says Candice LaRosse. So that's Candice LaRosse t-shirt, which will be on sale on my eBay store. Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Sorry about that. Oh, God. See you next time. Like the video, share the video, hit the bell icon. All right, see you next time. Thank you. Bye.